What's going on, Ponce Construction? It's Project 17. Had a long talk with my neighbor over here at this new house that I bought, and pretty much everything that I suspected, they pretty much kind of like, solidified. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm going to convert it to a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. So, pretty much kind of walk in. You have your dining room with split level. It's kind of cool. So what I'm probably going to do is like right over here, either over here or actually over here. I could do a bathroom like right off of here, just like, 8 by 5, and then put a closet over here, and then, and have you have like a utility room or something right off of there. I hate these fucking windows. They're stupid. So I pretty much identified all the points of exit on this house. I'm gonna have to just do a brand new sewer line on this whole thing. This is why I hate fucking slab houses. It's basically like $10,000 down the fucking toilet. You know what I'm saying? You're just throwing money away. Stupid fucking bullshit ass houses. So I'm gonna basically, we're gonna have to do a sewer line here for the bathroom, and then also a sewer line probably to have them cut the floor, so I can go do an island, for my sink or for my kitchen, or I could have them go through the wall over here. It would just make more sense just to go in this direction. You got another one that's over here, so you could go either way. You have a sewer line over there. So what we're gonna do is this wall right here that you see right here, I'm gonna take this out. We're gonna build a kitchen right here. I like the split level, how it kind of opens up like this. I dig that. Air vents, all this shit. I'm probably gonna just redo the AC. I don't trust it. Lady was telling me there's fucking snakes in the walls. I'm like, really? Snakes in the walls? Okay. So you got this old galvanized pipe. That shit's gotta go. So we're gonna have to cut the floor. All this shit is bad. So you have your bathtub or something like that. I found out where everything is. So essentially what it was is you have your toilet, you have your main gravity line right here, your main 4-inch right here, which is going in this direction. Okay, so it's all going in this direction, taps off this alleged bathtub where this is dirt. The dirt goes to this little fucking clean out because this is a split level. So I'm like almost, 8 to 10 inches higher than this sewer line right here, which dips down to there, which dips down to here, which goes out the house, So I get it, what I'm saying? And probably most likely what it is you have, the line is fucking split. So everything's backing up, So, it's kind of like this, like that, like this. Yeah, it's all along the same line. So everything's all along the back, So I just got off the phone with Leonardo. I'm like, man, just fucking dig up the whole goddamn thing, dude. I'm like, we'll just put a new line and abandon the old one and call it a fucking day. It just makes things easier. So you got to come here with either a jackhammer or a chop saw, and just slice this up and run just run a dedicated line all the way here and out. Done. Problem solved. Then you just repipe the fucking house. So in the meantime, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and build a island or something like right here, like an island like this, and then build your kitchen pretty much from the back of this deal like this, and a 45 like that. You have your island right here, and you can kind of sit here and chill out and have this nice badass living room. I'll probably put a 3rd air duct here, raise this shit up here, put 2 fans, take the fans and actually put them higher, or have them more centered. Here, I'm probably going to do another bathroom. It'll be 3 bathrooms, and then do like a closet or something, or like, or what's it called? What you can do, I don't know, this window, you would have to move, but the problem is it might change the curb appeal. So, I mean, honestly, the window is backwards. The window should be like this, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of stupid. So hold on. So I talked to Ernesto, and I asked him to come out here and give me an idea of what it'll cost us to fucking cut this brick and put the proper kind of window in here, because those bitches are sideways. They're wrong. You're supposed to put a 3 by 5 in there. 3 by 5 ply gem, That's some old weird bullshit, you know what I'm saying? So we'll cut that. We'll cut the window. And then similar with this one here. These are stupid too. They're fucking dumb, So very similar situation. You put a 3 by 5 in there, call it a fucking day. Problem solved. Those look like they're 30-inch windows. Or that one looks like it's a 30, but this one looks like it's I have to measure it. So these are gonna go. We'll put ply gems in there and call it a day. And then we're gonna dig up the sewer line, which is probably right over here. Cut this fucking shitty ass China berry tree down. I hate these damn things. Okay, and just dig up this whole fucking deal. Just come out here with a trencher and just cut that whole bitch up. So have them cut the line up. We do a straight line all the way. Most likely that's your clean out. I found my water meter. Found the water meter. So water meter's right in line with the goddamn main water line right here. So it's here. So it's somewhere like right about, because I kicked it. So it should be, I think it's right here. Hold on. There is a water meter down here. Should be straight in line with it. There we go. Yeah, this is it. See this hole right here? That's your water meter. Right there. That's your meter. That's it right there. I'll spray it with a spray can. So we got to put a new roof on it, put gutters on it, new sewer line, new windows, paint, sand. The siding is actually not bad, so very minimal repair on that. Paint, siding, repair, fixtures on the exterior, caulking, sealing, frame this shit in, convert this to a fucking, it's either that or open it up. Because it's split level, it's probably a bad idea to do that. So just go ahead and just fucking open it up. Just go that direction. Or what you can do is put 2 windows right here to kind of give it some kind of curb appeal and close that off and just close it up. You have to have some kind of curb appeal. So for here, you could put 2 windows, here and here, and then close that one up just so it doesn't look weird, and then change the front door. Peel up all this linoleum, break the sewer line, and then probably change the air conditioner because I don't know it. I don't trust it. Take this shit out, do an L like here, build your island, category 5 speakers, category 5 speakers, granite, travertine, all this will be travertine, this whole fucking thing, and then fucking, carpet in the bedrooms just makes life easier. Put another return in here, if not 2. Put 2 returns on this bitch. So you already got an air box right here, but you can go ahead and put a return. You got a second return right here. So that's kind of where we are. Get all this fucking insulation out of here. Just redo it. That's it. Not the end of the world. It's really not. Is that snake skin? What the fuck is that? That's weird. What the fuck that is. So then get Ishmael up in here to kind of tell me what is what, and probably go ahead and just pre-wire this shit for fucking cable. Actually, I won't. There is a skylight in here, which is kind of cool. I'm probably gonna have this opened up a lot wider. You know what I'm saying? Have them drywall it a little better. But yeah, that's kind of where we are. That's pretty much where we are. Yeah. All right. Kind of annoyed now, because it's like I thought I was going to be able to do this for a certain budget. And I mean, I'm just a realist. I'm not an optimist. I'm a realist. So it's like, all right, what this is really going to cost to do. So that's kind of where we are. Not the end of the world. We'll get her done. But yeah, so I'm going to pull all that fucking Pink Panther out the wall, all this R13 out the wall. We'll redo it. I'll just get Mr. Ochoa out here to come do this shit. And I'm going to write up a real scope of work tonight. But it's either that or I can widen this a little bit, I mean, 4 bedrooms is just more ideal. It's just more ideal. You have a 4th bedroom. And then just put 2 windows there, cancel that window out. And then it's just more ideal for what you need to do. So it's either that or put a window on the side over here, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. So the neighbor's like, your sewer lines are fucked up. I'm like, yeah, I kind of figured that. So no worries. All right, y'all be cool.